Now look, question C, write the number names for the following. Question is 6078. So today we will learn how to write numbers name. Children, what is the number of 4 digits? 6078. Look here. TH sign is of the thousands, S sign of the hundreds, T sign of the tens, and O sign is of the ones. Children, whenever we convert a 4-digit number into words, we divide it into 3 parts. The first part is of the thousands, the second part is of the hundreds, and the third part is tens and ones together. Okay? Whether it is a 4-digit number or 3-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers, when we write it in words, we always write tens and ones together. Right? Okay. Children, tell me, in which place is 6,000? Okay, so we will write here 6,000. Now, in which place is 0? Hundreds. But student, we will not write 0 hundreds here. Okay? Not only will we write hundreds here, we will move on to tens place, because we write tens and ones together. Okay? We write 78. What makes 7 and 8? Yes, 78. So we have to write here 78. Now we will add "and" in the middle. Look carefully. The first part is 6,000. 100 is not here, but hundreds place is our second part. And 78 is our third part. Clear, student? Now read it. 6078. Okay? Now look, second one. Written here 5,635. Okay? So children, tell me, in which place is 5,000? So we have to write here 5,000. In which place is 600? So we will write 600 here. Now we have to move on tens and ones place, because we have to write tens and ones place together. So what makes 3 and 5? Yes, 3 and 5 is 35. Okay? So we will write here 35. Read it. 5,635. Okay? Now see, there are 3 parts here. The first part is 5,000, second part is 600, and 35 is our third part. Clear, student? We have written here 5,635. Now look, question F, write the numerals. Children, first of all, we will write thousand, hundreds, tens and ones, so that can write numerals easily. Okay? So here it is written 7,403. Tell me, which number is written on 1,000? Yes, 7. So first we will write 7. Okay? Now tell, which number is written on the hundreds? 4. So we will write down 4 to hundreds. See here, there is no tens. So we will write 0 below it. Now what's can in the last? Yes, 3. It is ones. So we will write 3 on ones place. Now read it. 7403. Okay? Children, if you do not understand, then you can do it very easily by writing like this. Okay? Second one is 4553. We will learn it in the same way. Here written 4000. So 4 will be written on the place of the 1000. What is 5? 5 is hundreds. So 5 will be written on the 100 place. It is now 53. Children, as I have already told you, tens and ones are taken together. So we will write 53 here. So let's read it. 4553. Third one is 6018. It is written 6000. So first we will write 6. After that, see. Children, see carefully. If hundreds is not written here, then we will place 0 on hundreds place. Okay? If a number is not written on a place, then we put 0 on that place. Clear, student? So you put 0 here. Okay? Now it is written 18. So now we will write 18 here. That is tens and ones right together. Is that clear, student? So read it. 6018. Okay? Children, hope you all understand these questions well. Then you will do question 3, 4 and 5 yourself. You will do question 3, 4 and 5 yourself. Okay, children? Thank you.